Hi, I'm Remy, and I'm an enterprise marketing manager, and I give SimilarWeb Pro a 4 out of 5. For more reviews like this, click below. Before SimilarWeb Pro, we had an internal tool that some of our developers put together just to learn some insights for other competitors, for keywords, and we realized we needed something more robust in order to get those different competitive understandings of the marketplace and what keywords folks were end up on our site with, and knew that something like this was something that was affordable and could give us the insights that we needed. So that is how we landed with Similar Web Pro, and no regrets at this point. So some of the reasons that we selected SimilarWeb Pro were to do with not just for the data, of course, which is number one, but also the ease of use and just being able to understand a number of different things within the tool to give you that competitive advantage that one company would need. So yes, the data is super powerful, and you could learn not just about what's going on out there outside of your own business, but then what's going on analytically in terms of your own space. So learning, for example, the different keywords folks are coming in on, to what your SEO looks like, to what is actually happening on your digital experience. And then, of course, the ease of use of the tool, to the simple UI that it has. And of course, just how you can take that reporting and make it into actual data driven decisions that help your company progress into the future is just a few of the reasons why we ended up going with SimilarWeb Pro. Getting started with SimilarWeb was pretty tough because, like I said, we did a number of things in house before we had actually considered bringing on a tool for this type of data. And for us, it took a lot of enablement just to understand, based off of the fact that there was so much data, just to understand where to start, what meant what, and what, based off of all the competitive intelligence that was in this tool, was actually useful. And found that at the beginning there was some overlap within a lot of the dashboards that existed, and some of it, again, didn't really make a whole lot of sense at the get-go, but something that over time, with the enablement and the help from the SimilarWeb team, is that something that you can get more of an understanding of as you go from, say, a free plan up until when you're a paid customer. That enablement goes a long way as you progress through. Definitely a recommendation for those who are considering or are already on SimilarWeb is just to use their team as part of your enablement strategy internally, and making sure that your business use cases are part of the initial discussions as you're looking and considering a tool like this, because competitive intelligence and these types of data that are out there are valuable, but can you use it the right way? Do you know what you're doing, what you're trying to accomplish, and what business problems, the whys, if you will? If you can answer the whys, then you'll know what exactly you need and whether or not this tool with SimilarWeb will be the answer for you. But what I can say is there's so much data and so many ways you can go about it, and things that you can learn, that if you have enough use cases in house that you want answers on that will make an impact your business, then SimilarWeb Pro will make the difference for you.